Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you the best customization using GoodLock in Galaxy A35 5G. But guys, in this video, I'm going to use Galaxy A55 5G. But as you know that both the devices are completely same and this method is applicable on both the devices. So firstly, for installing the GoodLock, you have to go to Galaxy Store here and then search for a GoodLock. So this is here. Now install it. Now after installing, just click to open. So this is how the interface look like. Okay, so these are all the designs and themes here. I'm going to use a theme park here, so I have to install it. Okay, now after that, I am use a log star here to customize my log screen. So the log star is also installed. Now just tap on the theme park, click start here, allow all. So this one is a default theme by the way, and I want to change the theme. So I want to change firstly the quick panel here. Basically, this is a quick panel. I want to change the color of the quick panel. So this is how it look like. Let's name it quick bar. Okay, now we have to change the icon here. So we have these options of the icon, these shapes of the icon. This one is pretty good, so I am selecting this one. Name, let's rename it. Okay, now just tap here and then click apply. Tap here and then click apply. So as you see, it is now apply here. Now we can choose the volume pack also like this. I want to change it to color. So this one is the color, the short form of volume. Okay, tap here and then click apply. Okay, so that's now apply. Go back. Now tap to log score, tap to log star, click start, allow, enable it. Okay, if you want to set up the time, you can set it up, but I don't need to set it up right now. Go back. Now we have to customize it by using this. I want to change the clock here, so just tap here, and these are all the clocks. This seems like good. Adjust the size here. Plus we can also add stickers here. And talking about the widgets, so yes, we can set the widgets also. Like I want to set the PUBG widgets, so just tap here. No, like I want to set up the widget about the calendar. Yes, add it, allow it, and save it. So this is how we can set the widget. Okay, click to save. Go back. As you guys see, firstly the icon shape is now completely changed. The quick bar is also changed, and if you're talking about the lock screen, so yes, the lock screen is also changed. So that's how guys we can customize our Galaxy A35 5G by using a good lock. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.